Hi, I'm Ralph Keeson, and welcome to my channel here. And if you are someone who is interested in learning how to sell or currently selling and looking for ways to improve, but doing it with integrity and honestly without having to what might be perceived as lying, deceiving, saying things that aren't true, I think you're going to find what you'll discover here to be very useful and applicable. I've been doing this for a long time now and helping people become successful, quite frankly, by selling and doing business development with integrity, with honesty, and in a way that makes sense for them, not trying to copy some guy you see on the screen or some arena presenter and you walk out trying to talk like him or her. I've always said to the people that I've worked with, be yourself. So if you're looking to sell with integrity, but more importantly, authentically, that means be you, then I encourage you to listen and check out what you'll find here. Some of the things that, just to give you a bit of an overview, that you will hear and you'll be able to consider, evaluate, and potentially apply is how to move from being what I call a commodity salesperson who is selling only on price and saying almost anything they need to get the sale, and moving to being a person with integrity, so a trusted advisor or a strategic partner. Because I think what your customers or clients probably really want from you is the truth. Now, does that mean you have to be so honest with them that it hurts? No, of course not. But we can share things and provide information in a way that people still respect our opinion and consider it while still making up their mind for what they want, even if it doesn't agree with what you put forward. Because you're simply putting forward your opinion, you're advising, you're recommending, you're guiding. These are all things that salespeople can and should do. But again, I think they should do them without pressure, without manipulation, and without controlling the buyer into something they don't want or don't need. See, quite simply, if you run into a person who's trying to sell you something, whether it's a car, it's a camera, it's a computer, and when you look at them, you have that feeling that they're seeing you as their rent payment or their next bag of groceries, you're going to probably pull back. And just think how if your customers who you're dealing with and trying to present what you sell and what you provide feel that way relative to the relationship that they may have or could have with you, they're going to get uncomfortable. Customers today are very sophisticated because of the internet and access that we have to information. We are better informed as customers than we've ever been. We have to remember that if we're going to sell, if we're going to do business development, because what our clients want us to be are advisors. They want us to add value. They want us to lead them to an informed buying decision. They want us to earn the right to make a recommendation that they see has value, will benefit them, and have direct impact. When we do that, we will be able to secure their commitment based on providing a solution and recommendations that have integrity, that deliver value, and depending on the kind of business you're in, may create a relationship. If you're watching this and you're in the transaction business where you sell and you get a new customer and you sell, and there's a lot of people that do business that way, you may never get to that trusted advisor level. But what you can do is you can add value. You can transform the relationship, and you can make the buying experience and the selling experience for you relative to your customers much more enjoyable, powerful, of high value, and effective. Because if you're effective, you're going to be more successful. And if you're more successful, the dreams, the aspirations, and the hopes that you have as a salesperson and as a human being will be realized. And so you'll see sales not as a means to a quick outcome, but you'll see it as an honorable profession where if you help your clients, if you provide a service of value and you build relationships, people will not only deal with you, they'll come back and they'll refer you to their friends. That's what I believe is the way to do business and be a sales professional and have sales success. Not talking people into something they don't want. It's building relationships and having them trust you and buy from you because they like, respect, and want to do business with you.